Today's Camp Nou update features some of the biggest construction milestones yet. The first ceramic lamellas are finally being installed on the south goal. The compression ring continues making rapid progress toward the Tribuna, and major developments are unfolding across the third tier. These are the updates every Barca fan has been waiting to see, and they show just how quickly the new Spotify Camp Nou is taking shape. Let's get straight into all the latest progress. Work inside the stadium continues to progress across multiple areas of the first and second tiers. Permanent hospitality and concession spaces are being fitted out, replacing the temporary facilities used previously. Crews are also preparing the interior floors with self-leveling materials before applying an epoxy coating and 2 layers of paint, creating a durable finished surface. Progress around the VIP ring remains impressive as the structure is now fully enclosed with sandwich panels. Workers are continuing to install additional panels around the mobility cores, while balcony areas receive finishing work. New doors have already appeared in several sections, and construction teams are also preparing the supports that will later carry the ceramic facade. These finishing activities are steadily transforming the VIP ring into its final appearance. The third tier is moving forward with several finishing operations. Workers are sealing structural joints, carrying out repairs on stair sections, and preparing damaged steps for final finishing. Although major structural construction is largely complete, extensive finishing work is still underway across the entire third tier before it is ready for the installation of more permanent elements. Work around the seating areas is becoming increasingly active as multiple crews continue carrying out finishing operations across the lower levels of the stadium. Workers are making steady progress with the installation and preparation of seating sections, while also completing surrounding access areas, stairways, and structural details. At the same time, additional teams are inspecting and repairing individual steps, ensuring every seating block is properly aligned and ready before the final seats are installed. The pitch continues to undergo another important phase of preparation. Specialized machinery is screening and leveling the surface while excavators remove excess material to create the correct base for the new natural grass. The artificial turf layer remains in place temporarily as ground preparation continues, ensuring the surface is perfectly ready before the final natural pitch is installed. The compression ring continues extending toward the Tribuna side of the stadium. Construction teams are installing new radial beam supports and preparing additional false work for the next lifting phases. Large transfer beams are also being positioned above the mobility cores to support future temporary structures, while tower cranes remain busy delivering heavy steel components. With work now advancing into the Tribuna section, the compression ring continues to move steadily toward full completion. A major milestone has been reached in the south goal area as work begins on the exterior sandwich panel installation for one of the mobility cores. Workers are carefully positioning each panel with a crane and suction lifting equipment, ensuring every piece fits precisely into place without damaging the mounting supports that will later hold the ceramic facade. While numerous sandwich panels had already been installed inside the mobility core, this marks the beginning of the exterior enclosure. The facade support system continues to advance steadily in the south goal sector. New horizontal steel beams have now been installed, connecting the previously completed lamella support brackets and strengthening the overall framework. Although additional components, anchor adjustments, and alignment work are still required before the facade can be fully completed, the structure is now clearly taking shape and moving closer to the next construction phase. One of the most significant developments of the day is the installation of the first ceramic lamellas on the south goal mobility core. After weeks of preparation, workers have officially started mounting the facade elements, with cranes lifting each lamella into position. This marks the beginning of the exterior finishing process for this section of the stadium. This marks the beginning of facade installation on the south goal mobility core, with more progress expected soon. Construction also continues on the nearby diamond structure, where recently poured concrete has now cured sufficiently for workers to begin removing the formwork panels. The reinforced concrete structure is now fully visible, confirming another completed stage of the build. With this work finished, preparations will soon begin for the next phase, including steel reinforcement and beam construction above the newly completed section. Progress is also visible along the lateral stand, where crews continue aligning the facade anchors that will support the ceramic lamellas. Precise adjustment of these anchor points remains a priority to ensure the facade panels fit perfectly during installation. While this section has not yet reached the lamella installation stage, the ongoing alignment work indicates that it is steadily approaching that milestone. Attention now shifts to the second diamond structure, where no formwork has been removed yet following the recent concrete pour. Based on the construction schedule seen on previous sections, workers are expected to begin dismantling the temporary supports and formwork soon. Once that process begins, the completed concrete structure will be fully exposed, allowing crews to move forward with the next stage of structural development. Activity continues around the corner mobility core, where construction teams are carrying out finishing work on the steel framework. Several temporary stair structures have already been removed, giving the area a much cleaner appearance as permanent construction advances. At the same time, workers are completing additional support installations while preparing the remaining sections for sandwich panels, concrete panels, and future facade installation. Work remains active in the North Goal mobility core, with crews continuing interior finishing operations while preparing the exterior for the next construction phase. Painting work is progressing on the exposed steel structure, and mobile platforms are operating throughout the area as workers complete inspections and final surface preparations. The installation of exterior sandwich panels is expected to begin once these finishing tasks have been completed. The ceramic facade installation continues to expand in the North Goal corner. Workers are adding more lamellas across the lower ceiling section while cranes deliver new facade elements into position. Each newly installed panel extends the finished facade, and once this first level is completed, work is expected to accelerate significantly on the upper levels, where the installation process is less complex. At the same time, painting work on the mobility core steel framework has been completed, bringing this area closer to the next stage of exterior enclosure. The Tribuna section remains one of the busiest construction zones inside the stadium. Large quantities of structural steel, compression ring components, and temporary support equipment have been delivered and organized across the worksite, while cranes continue moving materials into position. The upper section of the mobility core has now been fully enclosed with sandwich panels, completing another important stage of the exterior structure and allowing construction to progress toward the next installation phases. Work continues around the Tribuna diamond structure, where crews are installing the structural frames that will support the future glass facade. Additional fixing points and support brackets are now being added around the entrance openings, while painting and protective coating work is also progressing on the exposed steel connections. At the same time, workers continue preparing the surrounding facade supports for the next stage of installation. The compression ring continues advancing at an impressive pace in the Tribuna sector. Another compression ring box has now been installed, extending the completed section even further. Multiple radial beams and pillars are already in place, with temporary support structures positioned between them to prepare for the rapid installation of additional ring segments. The area is now fully organized for the next sequence of compression ring assembly, allowing construction to accelerate over the coming days. Construction continues to move forward across every major area of Spotify Camp Nou. Significant progress has been made on the South Goal facade, ceramic lamella installation, mobility cores, diamond structures, the North Goal corner, the Tribuna area, and the compression ring. With multiple work fronts advancing simultaneously, the stadium is steadily moving closer to its next major construction milestones.